Hi, good morning all. Welcome to SS Creation. We are going to have an update on stock market view which we saw yesterday, and post that we will see what could be the market tomorrow. Again, today also I don't have MacBook in hand. When I inquired with service center, they told I'll be getting only after 2-3 days. So for the next 2-3 days I'll be doing the editing with my mobile, so there will not be any background screens that is going to run. Now we will see how Nifty and Bank Nifty has performed. Today I gave a very clear view stating that Nifty could be flat, slightly positive or negative, but there could not be any significant move on Nifty. Same way, Nifty has not reacted much. Nifty had a gap up open today, and Nifty was not able to sustain that gap up open, and it started to go on the bearish side. And there was no much movement on Nifty overall today. Whatever the gap up it had, it has given up that gap up and it was trading very flat. We gave a sell below 15,851, and Nifty has gone below that, and our target was 15,820, but it reversed at 15,825. And even it did not move significantly upwards post reversal. It was very flat the entire day. Probably we would have made 9 rupees as a loss at the end of the day in Nifty. And with respect to Bank Nifty again, it had a huge gap up, so people would have not gone on the buy side based on the view that we have given, because we have given something buy above 35,533, but it was having a very huge gap up, so people would have not gone on the buy side rather. And if you remember, in my previous videos I would have told 36,000 would be the stiff resistance for Bank Nifty. Same way for 35,990, Bank Nifty was the high and it got reversed from that position. It triggered our sell side and it has gone on to hit our second target, which is 120 points from the sell side. So approximately 3,000 rupees could have been our profit. Now with respect to stock view, ICICI was again flat. There was no movement at all in ICICI Bank. And when we see Axis Bank went on to hit our buy side and it has triggered our target 1. And approximately 1,160 rupees could have been the profit. And JSW Steel, if you see, it has triggered on our sell side. It has hit our first target, then it has reversed, the market has reversed, it has went on to hit our buy side also with our first target. So approximately we could have made around 2,000 rupees profit on JSW Steel. With respect to Tata Steel also triggered on the buy side and it has gone on to hit our second target. Approximately 3,000 rupees could have been the profit. Now we will have a look at what is the view for market tomorrow. Again, with respect to Nifty, 16,000 as the stiff resistance for the Nifty. Unless Bank Nifty outperforms, breaking 16,000 would be really difficult for the Nifty. So by this, what is our view for tomorrow's market? 15,878. If it breaks 15,878, then there could be a buy side, and the targets could be, that's what maximum it can go till 16,000. Intermediate targets will be 931, 962, 994, and first target would be 900. If Nifty is on a bearish side, if it breaks 15,844, Nifty could turn bearish, and where Nifty could go is 15,820, 15,789, 15,758, and worst case it can go till 15,700. With respect to Bank Nifty can be bullish above 35,670, and 36,000 could be the resistance for Bank Nifty. It has to break that resistance to go over, have a significant up move. and Bank Nifty could be bearish below 35,532, and the first target could be 35,502, 35,456, and it can maximum go till 35,300, and there is a good support available around 35,000. With respect to stock views, we have selected two stocks for tomorrow. One is Titan and another is Jindal Steel and Power. First we will have a look at the Titan view. Titan can be bullish above 1744.20 and it can be bearish below 1722, and the target for Titan would be 1752, 1763 and 1777 on the buy side, and 1712, 1702 and 1692 on the sell side. And Jindal Steel and Power could be buy above. It is already on a bullish side, Jindal Steel and Power, and it can further continue the bullish run, and anything above 410.20 could be a strong bullish side, and it can reach 414.90, 420, 425 and 430. Below 404, in fact. It can go till 400, 395 and it can reach maximum of 380. It has a very good strong support around that range of 380. One can even think of taking positions if this particular stock reaches 380 because it is having a very good valuation. I personally hold this stock in my portfolio. Now additionally we will see some stocks for positional buying for a short term or a medium term basis. Now I have shortlisted two stocks for short term or a medium term investment. Federal Bank is having an attractive valuation. It will be good if you can enter around 80 to 84 range, and you can easily book profit till 95 to 110. And Ashok Leyland next, it is also having a decent valuation, and anything around the range of 118 to 124 will be a good buy with a target of 145. Yesterday I had one query with respect to Tata Consumer. Tata Consumer is a overvalued stock as of now. If you ask me whether I would enter personally at this price range, I will not enter Tata Consumer. Tata Consumer will be very much attractive if it is around 651.16 to 668.97. In this range, Tata Consumer would be very attractive. I am not telling that Tata Consumer will not rally from this position. Tata Consumer can go further up, but the attractive valuation will be around 650 range to 668. This is the exact position I would enter, and anything above that I may wait for the corrections to happen. Because at current valuation it is having a very high PE of 80 and it does not even have an attractive ROCE and ROE, and the stock is not a big dividend yielding stock either. So I am not so much impressed with Tata Consumer, though I had it in my portfolio once long back, 2 years before maybe, around the 300 range it was trading at that time, before this merger and all happened with respect to Tata Consumer, with that restructuring has happened. Before that I was holding Tata Consumer, but not now, and current price is overvalued. If there is any market correction, then we can consider buying it at the range of 650 to 668. That's all for today, guys. If you like the video, do hit on the like button. Do share it with your friends and family so they will also be benefited. And if you have still not subscribed to our channel, do hit on the subscribe button. Thanks for watching the video. Have a great day.